Namaste guys. Here's one of the highest and most beautiful waterfalls of Andhra, the Lodha waterfalls. There are hundreds of waterfalls in Andhra and I believe this is one of the highest or maybe the highest waterfalls of Andhra. In fact, we've actually tried measuring the height of this waterfall and I'm not trying to BS. Please watch the video till the end so you can actually see how we measured it. Lodha is an amazing waterfall, but the problem is if you're coming from Andhra, you'll have to trek or hike for at least 2 hours. Lodha is a great waterfalls, but at the same time, it's a pain in the ass. Difficult. So, as I was saying, Lodha is an amazing waterfalls, absolutely stunning. However, it's not that easy to reach as it is remotely located and the hiking part is really a pain in the wrong place. Please don't forget to like the video if you like what you see, as that helps the video reach more audience and that really means a lot. Like I said, it's not that easy to reach this waterfall. The challenge here is the hike for about 5 to 6 kilometers and it takes around 2 to 3 hours depending on your stamina. The trail is very uneven and slippery, especially during the rainy season, so you will need to be a little careful. I lied to my friend that the hike is only about 10 to 15 minutes and look at him now. Sorry bro. Where did the waterfalls disappear? Well, the weather here is unpredictable. The fall is often covered by fog, making it invisible, and this usually happens in the monsoon season. On the way to the main fall, you will also come across several unnamed or unseen waterfalls and I was able to capture few of them which are available at the end of the video. This particular waterfall is easily over 300 feet and that's why I believe it is one of the highest waterfalls of Andhra. And here's how we actually measured it. Let's have a look at the screen recording of the DJI app. The drone is approximately around 18 meters above the waterfall starting point and the height right now is 118 meters. And I am at a distance of 238 meters from the fall, however at the same level of the height where the fall ends. Therefore, the approximate height of this fall is around 100 meters which is 328 feet. This is an approximate height and it is quite possible that this is the highest waterfalls of Andhra. I may be wrong, we all make mistakes, correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, I've always had this fear of encountering wild animals while hiking, especially near these forested areas. I've been here at least thrice and I haven't seen any wild animals. However, suddenly I've heard a weird loud cry and I can't compare or express what it is like, but it was very scary and then I started filming. However, I didn't come across anything and this is one of the reasons I don't recommend to hike solo. Then I came across these jackfruit trees and the locals told me that they don't consume the fruit. So I'm not sure why, but I too didn't want to take that risk. Some important things to know about this waterfalls. First thing is if you're not able to hike or if you're not interested in hiking for 2 to 3 long hours, you can actually take the Odisha route. More information as to how to reach this fall is available in the description of the video. Second thing is I would not recommend to bring children as it is very difficult to manage. Third is please take help from locals, they are really happy to help. Fourth is, as I've mentioned earlier, I don't recommend solo hiking. And the fifth one is please leave a like as it really means a lot and don't forget to subscribe. Please take care of our nature so it takes better care of our future. And please avoid plastic where possible. Watch the video till the end if you can. Thank you for your time. Take care.